In this video, we are going to see how today, that is 22nd of May, you would have avoided your Nifty trade and how with the help of NTD Sniper data, you would have taken your Bank Nifty trade. So let us see first Nifty trade. Here if you apply NTD Sniper indicator in Nifty today, once after you can see at around 12:15 that was the first green candle formed, which means that was a buying indication in Nifty at 12:15 today, that is 22nd of May. Now let us see whether the data was supportive or not. NTD Sniper indicator suggested us buy, but whether the data was confirming it or not. So let us go on to the NTD dashboard. Once we go there, after applying Nifty 50, once we click on today's data, after we click on today's data, let us check at 12:15 whether the data today was supportive or not. So let us go at 12:15. Now here if you see, this is 12:15's data. If we see, out of 50 stocks in Nifty 50, only 17 stocks were positive and only 32 and 2, almost 34% breadth of Nifty was positive. Minimum breadth 60% has to be positive for buy side or for the sell side to initiate a trade. Now here again at 12:15, let us see the weightage. If we see the weightage also, 36% plus 2%, approx 38%, 39% weightage was positive. So neither the breadth, neither the weightage, both of the things were not positive above 60%, and if both of the things are not positive above 60% individual, in that case we are not gonna take that trade. Hence this Nifty trade which came today in our NTD Sniper indicator, it was a false trade. You would have easily avoided this trade. You would have not taken this Nifty trade. Why? Because NTD Sniper indicator showed us buy, but the data was not supportive. Now instead of that, let us see whether the Bank Nifty trade was positive or not, whether the Bank Nifty trade was supportive or not. Let us see Bank Nifty. If we see, there was only one trade today, and that was a sell trade which initiated at 9:46. So 9:46 was the first candle where our Bank Nifty trade got initiated. We got a red downward arrow with a red color candle. That means it was a sell trade for Bank Nifty at 9:46. Let us see whether the data at that moment was supportive or not. Once we go on the dashboard, after clicking on dashboard, we will select Nifty Bank. Once we select Nifty Bank, we'll click on today's data, and once we click on today's data, it will show us today's data. Let us see at 9:46 whether the data was supportive or not. Once I click on 9:46, after clicking on 9:46, I can see my Bank Nifty out of 12, 10 stocks were negative, not 10 plus 1, 11 stocks were negative, and 83% plus 8%, almost more than 90% of my breadth was negative. Okay, so this was 60% and above negative, almost 90% negative. Now at 9:46, whether the breadth was, weightage was also negative or not. Let us see, 72% plus approx 1%. So we can say around 73 plus percent weightage was also negative. So our breadth was 90% negative, weightage was 73% negative, both were above 60% negative, which means this was a correct trade. Our NTD Sniper indicator suggested us sell, and also the data was supportive. When data and indicator both are supportive, both are giving a correct direction, that is your entry when you take your entry in Bank Nifty. And let us see how much points gain we have got it in Bank Nifty. Here if we see, our entry was somewhere near around 47,812, and from there as we speak now, until now, Bank Nifty has made a fresh day low around 47,624, almost 200 points gain in Bank Nifty. So since we launched this product, after that there was none a single day, there was not a single day when our Sniper data has not given the best performance, when our Sniper data has not given the correct move. After a launch, every day whenever we got the trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, it has given a 100% move, it has given a nice move. And with the help of that data, you would have easily taken this trade in Bank Nifty, and you would have easily gained a nice chunk. So this is how, with the help of NTD Sniper and NTD data, you can get the best trade. You can avoid your fake breakouts and your fake entries, and with the help of this data, you can get your per clear entry into it. Thank you.